What's going on, guys? Back at the shop today. We're actually doing some stuff that you've never seen before because we don't do it that often because the machine that we have isn't that great, and we don't get wheels that we can do with it. It's a very old machine and you can only do up to a certain size. Up to a certain size tire will only fit. So these for the Exploder ended up working out. So basically, I mean, it's just an old school machine, probably from like the 70s or 80s, I'd say. And you know, it's something you would find like a demo derby guy has or something. Just a very simple machine. We'll show it getting the arm and stuff on, but Wayne's just getting it all set up now. We also have to put tire pressure monitors in here. I bought them off eBay, some used Ford ones. Alright guys, so we're putting the tire pressure monitor system in. These are for a Ford, but I'm sure most are similar. You just have to look up how they recommend to do it. This one you have to make sure it's 180 degrees off of the fill. So it's right in the front there. Alright guys, so we didn't snap it in yet, but right there is where the monitor will go. And then as you can see, the valve stem is straight across from it. So that's alright. We just got to get the tire put on. And the sensor just slid into place. And then we'll have to get it reset by like NTB or something. I hope these work. They claim to be tested and functional. You almost put it on by hand. They're not new tires, man. They got some age on them. They'll move. It's just rubber. There you go. There she goes. What's going on there? Oh, why are you losing there?
Right.
You're losing it.
Right.
Yeah, but she's about to come off already.
No, we're fine.
Yeah.
I need this more.
Something's goofy. Because I don't even hear air going into the tire.
Yeah, it's because I don't have the core. Without the
Air
core,
trap.
it's tough. You gotta hit the chuck on the sides of these without
Yeah.
the core in. I don't like the core in because it restricts the airflow.
Yeah.
It's at the B, but since there's two of us, we're good.
Well, it's almost set just right there is the only spot that's got a
Yeah.
hole. Your side is the only, my side's set.
Taken.
There she goes. I'm still feeling puffy. Alright, she's all yours now. Alright guys, so we got one of these Chinese tire balancers. Wayne bought, oh I don't know, it's probably 5 years ago now. Did you get this at Harbor Freight?
Yes.
So this is a Harbor Freight job. I mean, it seems to work pretty well. I really don't believe you need to balance a tire unless you have an absolute problem with it. I think that's just propaganda for a shop to charge you.
There it is.
I realize that, I realize the concept of it, but if it's that big of a deal, how can some places recommend only balancing the front and you don't have to do the rear? So I don't know. Do whatever you want. Wayne likes to play with his little balance gauge, so I let him have his fun.
Jesus Christ.
That's a lot.
It's a lot. It's all. Brand new tires.
Brand new to me. But it is also almost 180 degrees off of the sensor.
It's true. Because look, that's where the other one took the weight too, was right by the valve stem.
Yeah, so the sensor probably
Because
throws
that's
it
where I
off.
got the other weights at. Is if you look at that wheel, look how close. You're almost the same spot.
Yeah. Yeah, so it's probably the speeds or the pressure sensor is doing
That's
it.
what I'm thinking. Brand new tires.
So the object to this whole game is to get, you know, it's just a bubble level. Just get the bubble in the middle and you're good. That's the
It's
object.
not accurate at all.
So if you look, like if I hit it here, you see the bubble move? So that's kind of where you're, it's just like a level, like any kind of bubble level for your house or whatever. It's the same
You
concept.
just slide them. Get them the best you can. Look at that, like right here, Carl. See? Now if you look, that's good. You know all you do is slide the weights a little bit. Get it. See how close you get.
And if you don't want to ruin your wheels, or if you have nice wheels, you can use the stick-on type as well. That's the same, but we just use these because that's what any tire shop will use. And that's also why this rim is ruined. If you see, this rim isn't horrible, but if you look at your wheels, you'll see the clear coat start to get messed up. That's exactly why, because the wheel weight scraped the clear coat off from rubbing, and then corrosion got in there. So if you ever see nasty wheels, that's what it's from.